have more trouble for the BJP over ticket distribution. Sitting MP Navjot Sidhu gave a miss to party candidate Arun Jaitley's roadshow in Amritsar, while Kiran Kher had to face black flags and slogans shouting against her in Chandigarh. All this in this report.
An explosive beginning to Arun Jaitley's campaign. Just minutes after the senior leader left the Amritsar airport, a minor accident caused by fireworks. But the real sparks may be flying behind the scenes. As a host of BJP and Akali leaders welcome Mr. Jaitley, the sitting MP Navjot Singh Sidhu was conspicuous by his absence. The cricketer turned politician turned entertainer was evicted to make room for Arun Jaitley, who's contesting his first ever parliamentary election from Amritsar. Instead, in damage control mode, the BJP ensured Mr. Sidhu's wife, Navjot Kaur, made an appearance.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਵਰਗੇ ਹਲਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੁਭਾਗ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰ ਹਾਂ.
But for the BJP, the embarrassment did not end there. In Chandigarh, their candidate Kiran Kher was greeted with black flags. Party workers, angry over ticket distribution, shouted slogans as she arrived at the party office. Her husband, actor Anupam Kher, wasn't spared either.
हम अपने लोकल 3 लीडरों में से किसी को टिकट दिया जाएगा। ये चंडीगढ़ की है, वो चंडीगढ़ में पली बड़ी रहे, पार्टी में कुछ नहीं किया, जिन्होंने पार्टी में काम किया उनके।
While every seat is crucial for the BJP, aiming for the magic figure of 272, open revolt by workers like this one may severely damage party's prospects.
But Kiran Kher dismissed the protesting party workers. The BJP candidate may seem confident of taking her opponents, incumbent Pawan Bansal and newbie Gul Panag, but this former union minister too is ready to put up a tough fight. Pawan Bansal lost the rail ministry after his nephew was caught allegedly taking bribe last year. However, ahead of polls, the Congress High Command has reposed faith in the 4-time sitting MP.
जो आदमी रेस दौड़ रहा होता है वो पीछे घूम के नहीं देख सकता, ना ही देखना चाहिए. इस कारण आगे ही देखते रहेंगे और किसी कोई मुकाबला नहीं.
With Anand Patel in Chandigarh, Rohit Rajan for NDTV.
Now, Chandigarh is going to witness a battle among Bollywood stars. Actress Gul Panag is taking on Kiran Kher from BJP. I'm joined by Aam Aadmi Party supporters here. Dr. Munish Raizada is the campaign manager for Gul. Dr. Raizada, Congress camp is very happy. They're saying you fielded parachute candidates. Even BJP has done that. And they're saying the battle is already half won.
I don't think this is a parachute candidate. Gul Panag is a resident of Chandigarh. She hails from this city. She's a very worthy candidate, very able candidate. Along being an activist, she has always been an activist. And also we are looking for a young face. So she combines all these values and virtues which we are looking for, and that is why she will be able to give a very competitive response and competitive message to the whole campaigning.
But in the absence of a local leader, you know, both in the BJP and in the Aam Aadmi Party, I think Pawan Bansal is gaining ground here.
Well, you see, Aam Aadmi Party has always emerged, you know, typically you consider them as underdogs, and then as the campaigning goes on, you figure out that they are emerging as a strong candidate. Yeah.
And do you think Pawan Bansal will have to face some resistance because of his railgates taint?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, Pawan Bansal is due to this coal gate, I mean, railgate has been disgraced. I am extremely shocked that why he has been given the ticket. Yeah.
And you think Gul Panag would be able to pitch in a stiff battle here against, you know, a seasoned MP? Pawan Bansal is a 4-time MP.
We are here to change the face of the politics. We are here to change the politics the way it is done. We want to bring a new culture of politics in the country. Gul Panag she epitomizes everything. Yeah.